Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,654 level on January 8, 2021. The weekly closing is slightly above the projected weekly pivot level of 45,236 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 47,089 and 42,831 respectively. Technically, the index is rising and may test the overhead resistance. The BYCO closed at 10.41 level on January 8, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 9.71. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 11.30 and 9.66 respectively. The stock is showing slight upside movement. The PRL closed at 25.68 level on January 8, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 24.52. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 28.85 and 22.24 respectively. Technically, the stock is likely to test the overhead resistance level. The HUMNL network closed at 6.43 level on January 8, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 6.07. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 8.78 and 5.18 respectively. Technically, the stock is slightly positive. The PAEL electron has closed at 42.28 level on January 8, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 40.61. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 54.95 and 36.69 respectively. Technically, the stock is rising. The KODU power company closed at 35.48 level on January 8, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 33.81. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 41.38 and 29.24. The stock is rising after an upside breakout. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.